Hi friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This is a video tutorial on how to divide a string into n equal parts. We will follow 3 steps. First, get the size of the string using string function strlen. Second, get the size of a part by part size is equal to string length divided by n. Finally, loop through the input string. In the loop, if index becomes multiple of the part size, then put a part separator \n. Let's have a look at the implementation. First, define string size is equal to strlen of string. Then, we check if the string can be divided in n equal parts. That is, if string size is divisible by n. If not, print an error and return. Else, if everything is okay, we define part size is equal to string size by n. Then, loop through the input string, and if index becomes a multiple of the part size, then print a separator \n, else we simply print the characters. The time complexity of this solution is order n, as we use a single loop for string traversal. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.